The mongoose, often regarded as an adorable creature, is also a formidable predator, capable of facing off against dangerous foes such as the king cobra. Despite their resemblance to weasels, mongooses share a closer genetic kinship with meerkats and fall under the Feliformia family, which consists of cat-like carnivores. Mongooses come in various sizes. The dwarf mongoose measures between 17 to 24 centimeters in length with a tail ranging from 15 to 20 centimeters, while the white-tailed mongoose can grow to a length of 48 to 71 centimeters with a tail measuring 47 centimeters. Mongooses primarily feed on mice, reptiles, and birds, with the occasional consumption of plants and fruits. The mongoose, known for its small size and remarkable speed, is often viewed as a fearless opponent for the king cobra, one of the most formidable creatures in Africa. The king cobra, which can grow up to 4.5 meters long and possesses extremely potent venom, instills fear in many animals. Despite this, mongooses have developed an impressive ability to deal with this snake. The agility of mongooses plays a crucial role in evading the king cobra's attacks. Able to reach speeds of up to 20 miles per hour, they are skilled at swiftly dodging and launching attacks from difficult angles. More specifically, mongooses carry a genetic mutation in their acetylcholine receptors, which are neurotransmitters, allowing them to withstand the venom of the king cobra. Through a combination of speed, agility, and remarkable resilience, mongooses have displayed their ability to outsmart the king cobra in most encounters. They emerge victorious in almost 80% of their confrontations with this formidable snake, including those with the largest forest cobras. The king cobra stands out as one of the most formidable and fear-inducing venomous snakes in the world. Reaching lengths of up to almost 6 meters, this snake has built a notorious reputation for its menace and ruthless hunting tactics. The distribution of king cobras is primarily concentrated in the forests and plains of South and Southeast Asia, where they thrive in the tropical forest habitat, enabling them to effectively hunt and survive. King cobras primarily prey on other snakes, both venomous and non-venomous. Guided by their keen sense of sight and smell, they can detect and swiftly launch attacks on their prey. The potent neurotoxic venom of the king cobra swiftly immobilizes its victims, rendering them powerless. Impressively, they can consume other snakes with lengths of up to 2 meters, a size that exceeds their own head several times over. The dramatic confrontations between the small yet agile mongoose and the world's longest venomous snake, the king cobra, never cease to astonish observers. Recognized for their exceptional agility and immunity to snake venom due to a distinct genetic variation, mongooses are celebrated for their small yet robust physique. Specifically, the slender mongoose and the gray mongoose demonstrate remarkable bravery and combat abilities when confronted by a king cobra. On the other hand, the king cobra, feared as one of the most formidable snakes worldwide, possesses venom capable of causing human fatality within minutes. With their elongated bodies and formidable strength, they present a formidable challenge. Nonetheless, they face a formidable opponent in the mongoose. In encounters, mongooses utilize their speed and agility to evade the lethal strikes of cobras. With rapid reflexes, mongooses can outmaneuver and destabilize the snake before delivering a decisive bite to the snake's head. This extraordinary skill has resulted in mongooses emerging victorious in around 80% of confrontations with king cobras. Studies from the Weizmann Institute of Science have shown that the mongoose's acetylcholine receptor has a slight mutation that prevents the cobra's venom from locking its muscle cells, preventing the mongoose from being paralyzed when bitten. Mongoose, a small but very cunning animal, is famous for its ability to hunt and destroy poisonous snakes, especially king cobras. This ability of mongooses comes from mutant acetylcholine receptors, helping them become immune or resistant to snake venom. The uniqueness of the mongoose is shown through its adaptation to the same living environment as cobras. In areas where cobras often appear, mongooses often encounter these snakes. They have developed clever and effective hunting tactics to protect themselves and their territory. One of the mongoose's smart tactics is to attack the cobra from behind. When near snakes, they will erect their tails to confuse and disorient the poisonous snake. Thanks to this agility and dexterity, the mongoose can perform a fatal bite on the snake's head while still keeping a safe distance away from the venomous cobra's sharp fangs. Martens are petite creatures that are part of the Mustelidae family. They can be found across North America, Europe, and Asia, displaying remarkable versatility in adapting to diverse environments, from dense woodlands to lofty mountain regions, and typically measuring between 40 to 70 centimeters in total length. Martens boast sleek fur, often in shades of brown or gray, that aids them in seamlessly blending into their surroundings, facilitating hunting and enabling them to elude detection by predators. Martens are renowned for their petite size, tipping the scales at only 600 to 1,000 grams. Their dimensions are akin to those of a domestic cat, leading many to perceive them as docile creatures mistakenly. However, concealed beneath their dainty facade lies a fierce and audacious predator. With razor-sharp teeth and formidable combat skills, the marten is not only a carnivore, but also a resilient predator in the animal kingdom. However, due to their ferocity, martens' hunting prowess is frequently misjudged and underestimated. Despite their diminutive stature, martens are adept at overpowering prey much larger than themselves. This is evident in their hunting techniques and control over their prey. The marten is a versatile predator, known for its diverse hunting abilities, which involve preying on hares. Despite having a maximum speed of 24 kilometers per hour, the marten may appear slower than hares, which can dash at 72 kilometers per hour. However, martens possess impressive stamina, enabling them to relentlessly pursue their prey over extended periods. This endurance allows them to gradually close in on hares, eventually wearing them down during the hunting process. Their ability to leap high and far, covering substantial distances in a single bound, helps martens overcome obstacles and swiftly reach their prey. Once they identify the perfect opportunity, martens launch an assault, quickly overpowering their prey. They then transport their catch to a safe location to enjoy their meal, typically away from the view of other predators or potential dangers. Monkeys, such as langur monkeys, are diminutive primates with a maximum length of 76 centimeters and a weight of around 18 kilograms. They display remarkable agility and mastery of complex movements, enabling them to evade predators in the wild. Nevertheless, martens have honed their hunting tactics to skillfully pursue these primates. Martens typically seek out vulnerable or injured monkeys, which are easier to capture and overcome. These injured monkeys are less likely to escape or put up a fight, making them prime targets for martens. For instance, a study conducted in the rainforests of Southeast Asia observed that martens frequently target elderly langur monkeys, or young ones that have strayed from the group due to their vulnerability. Martens employ stealth to approach the monkeys and launch sudden attacks. They may hunt in pairs or small groups to enhance their success rate, with one marten diverting the monkey's attention while the other attacks from a different angle. Furthermore, martens are adept at incessantly pursuing and harassing the monkey until it becomes too weary to retaliate. They relentlessly chase and nip at the monkey's legs or tail, gradually sapping its strength. For instance, in an Indian forest, a group of martens fervently pursued a langur monkey for over 30 minutes, unrelentingly harassing and attacking it until the monkey could no longer resist. Martens boast an incredibly diverse and varied diet. They are classified as opportunistic predators due to their lack of selectivity regarding food and their readiness to capitalize on any available food sources within their habitat. The marten's diet encompasses mice, red squirrels, birds, and insects. Their nimbleness and flexibility enable them to scale and leap from tree branch to tree branch, granting them an advantage in their hunts. Despite their well-known agility and ability to maneuver through tree branches, squirrels are often exposed to substantial danger by the swift and fearless nature of martens. In a captured video, a marten can be seen aggressively chasing a squirrel around a large tree trunk, creating a captivating scene. The squirrel skillfully evades the predator, utilizing all its abilities to escape. Nevertheless, the marten persists in its close pursuit, owing to its muscular physique and exceptional climbing skills. This situation can be likened to a natural game of tag. However, unlike harmless human games, the pursuit between the marten and squirrel symbolizes a genuine struggle for survival. Martens not only display skilled hunting behaviors, but also possess a daring and resolute temperament. They fearlessly confront larger adversaries and often exhibit aggression when defending their territory. This disposition contributes to their survival and success in the wilderness.